Hey, what's up? What's going on? Welcome to English with Dane, a podcast designed to improve your English. As always, I'm your host, Dane, and you can find me on Instagram at English with Dane. If you want a full transcript of this and all future episodes, send me a message, and if you don't use Instagram, send me an email at englishwithdane@gmail.com. Today's episode is all about collocations. I'll explain what they are, how they're used, and I'll talk about my favorite ones, or at least some of the ones I like to teach. All right, let's go. You are listening to episode 86 of English with Dane. Hit it. Okay, we have officially started the show, so let's talk about collocations. For those of you who aren't familiar, collocations are groupings of words that occur very frequently together. So more often than randomly, más a menudo que randomly. I looked up the official definition and it says that collocations are the habitual juxtaposition of a particular word with another word or words with a frequency greater than chance. For example, make a difference. It's something people say a lot, but it's not a saying, un dicho o un refrán, or an idiom or an expression. It's just two words that appear together frequently. Collocations are a good way of improving your agility when speaking English, I think. To me, someone with an okay accent who uses collocations sounds more natural than someone with a really good accent who doesn't. Is that weird? Not sure, but another cool thing about collocations is that they are not hard to learn because it's normal words that you probably already know. You don't have to learn unfamiliar words. You just have to remember which ones to use together. Let's go over the list. The first one is feel free, like siéntete libre, translated literally. This is a great one to add to your day-to-day vocabulary. You can use it to say, no seas tímido, kind of. You can say, hey, there's coffee in the kitchen, feel free. So don't hesitate, don't be shy. It's like an invitation, right? So to feel free to do something. I can say, feel free to ask me about anything. This collocation also comes up when just talking about feeling free, obviously. But I thought the first meaning was much cooler. You can, of course, say something like, when I'm out in nature, I feel free. Another good one that is similar is help yourself, like ayúdate a ti mismo or misma, translated literally. It's like saying, sírvete tú mismo, coge lo que quieras, or agarra lo que quieras for some of my South American listeners. So, okay, scenario. You're at home and your friend comes over because you're going out, but you're still getting ready. You ordered a pizza, so there's pizza on the table, and as you go back into your room to finish getting ready, you say, hey, help yourself to some pizza. It doesn't have to be pizza, it can be nachos. Help yourself to some nachos. Important to use the preposition to with this one. Help yourself to anything you want. You might be thinking, puede que estés pensando, that sounds a bit rude, un poco maleducado, because you're saying ayúdate a ti mismo or misma, but it's actually something polite and nice to say. It's welcoming. This next one is a weird one, I think. Virtually impossible. It just means impossible. We just say virtually impossible because I don't really know, but it's a common one. I don't know why we use virtually to emphasize. Is it because not even computers can do it? If you know, write to me. We also say virtually identical. Those two are the most common, I think, with virtually. Next one, absolutely incredible. This one comes up, surge, every day, I think. I feel like this is something actors say a lot in interviews. I feel like they say, it was an absolutely incredible experience working with a cast like this one, or something like that. We use it in Spanish too. This is a good one to work on your accent with. Absolutely incredible. Don't say absolutely incredible, okay? Fight it. Okay, last one. If you want a long list of these, by the way, go look them up online. There are tons. For now, we're sticking with these 5 and worrying about integrating them into our day-to-day speech, okay? The last one is insanely difficult. Insane as in crazy, like locamente difícil if you want. When you're talking about learning some new complicated software maybe, you would say, I'm having a hard time with this program. Learning how to use it is insanely difficult. Someone can also be insanely difficult. Maybe somebody's cranky because they're hungry and they're being insanely difficult. It's less common though. The first meaning is more common. The last question on the quiz was insanely difficult. Okay, quick recap before we go. Quick recap is also a collocation. Anyway, we had feel free, help yourself, virtually impossible or virtually identical as well, absolutely incredible and insanely difficult. One more time, feel free, help yourself, virtually impossible or identical, absolutely incredible and insanely difficult. Write them down, say them a few times, and try to throw one of them in your next conversation. That's how to do it. No other way. Talk to people, make mistakes, feel awkward. It doesn't matter. Gotta practice. Okay, that's the show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Support English with Dane by following the show on Instagram for extra content. Follow it on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen. Give it a 5-star rating, and if you leave a review, I'll be very grateful. All right, till next time. Bye-bye.